Hello, I'm using MudMap. It's a Google Docs extension for creating a mind map. I'm going to be speaking today about visual literacy using a mind map. Visual literacy, it's a 21st century skill where information is presented through visible actions, objects, and symbols. Students must be able to interpret, recognize, appreciate, and understand. Going down under here, critical literacy skills. Digital age has more demands, and learners are bombarded by visual images. Students spend tons of time out on the internet, and we need to help students develop filters to detect bias, so that they can be the judge on their own with looking at images out there on the internet. Going on to visual thinking strategies, or VTS. It allows for students of all levels to participate, even students who struggle in confidence or in other academic areas. It allows for more open-ended questions for students to debate and find answers themselves. It helps to address the Common Core standard goal of independence, releasing a greater responsibility to the students, with the teacher's role being the facilitator. So, how do we teach visual literacy? There's many different ways. One of the ways I was going to talk about is through Think Alouds. You can start with modeling a read aloud and then read aloud with the text, and then pause and ask your questions, such as, I wonder, what do you notice? What do you see that makes you say that? Where can I find more? What can I find more about? That allows students to think more deeply as they read or look at images. Another way is a prompt chart, asking the 4 W's. What do I see? What does it remind me of? What's the artist's purpose? And why does this matter? So the last one is step-by-step working with images that matter. So the steps are literal observation, interpretation, evaluation, and application. So what this means is give students a hard copy of a photo, help them internalize the image, tell them to study it for a minute, and then have students write down what they observe, what's in the picture, how's the space used, and then you can add it to a shared Google Doc. On the shared Google Doc, you can use a word cloud publisher such as TextGago, and allow students to re-examine the photo. What do they now understand that they didn't before that they put it to words? Maybe you want to have them compare with other students what they were thinking as well. During the evaluation and application stage, direct students to write about the image on note cards, and then place the note cards around the photo and create a bulletin board in the room. These are some great ways to incorporate visual literacies into your classroom, using MindMap, which is a Google Doc extension, to create a mind map. Thank you.